Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 419. The number 419 is made up of the qualities and energies of the number 4, the vibrations of the number 1, and the effects of the number 9. The number 4 is connected to honesty and integrity, being practical, working steadily toward goals and dreams, system and order, self-initiative, building strong foundations, and passion and determination. The power of the archangels is also felt in the number 4. The vibrations of the number 1 are new beginnings, motivation, progress, inspiration, achievement, self-leadership and assertiveness, success, fulfillment, and knowing everything. Number 1 also tells us that our thoughts, intentions, beliefs, and actions make up the world we live in. Number 9 is connected to universal spiritual laws, a higher point of view, the idea of karma, setting a good example for others, being kind and helping others, and doing light work. Number 9 also stands for endings and the end of things. Angel number 419 is a sign that you should follow your intuition and the angel's advice about the next steps on your spiritual path. Trust that you are in the right place at the right time, and that your soul is telling you to let your light shine, so that others can see the way. The angels cheer you on and help you on your way. Angel number 419 is a message from your angels that you should help the world wake up and heal by using your natural light-working talents, skills, and interests. Your positive love and light are very needed right now, and your angels want you to keep working toward your spiritual goals and your life's purpose. Angel number 419 can be a sign that your perfect job or other way to make money will come to you when the time is right. Keep an eye out for signs and guidance in your dreams, thoughts, intuition, and feelings, and then act on them. Life has a natural flow and rhythm. Things come and go, and when one thing goes, it makes room for something new and better. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.